Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price, the Ethereum price, our Chainlink trade, and I'm also going to show you a project that I'm looking to do a private investment in. So make sure you stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss any important news, updates, or information. Share this video with your friends, like, subscribe, and let's smash the YouTube algorithm and get more and more traction on YouTube. We need to turn more people to the decentralized way. So make sure you share this video with your friends. Make sure you teach your friends how to get into Bitcoin, how to get into crypto, how to start investing, because it's one of the very important pillars of being wealthy. You need to learn how to make good investments. So now, without further ado, let's jump straight in the charts and see what happened to Bitcoin in the last couple hours. So as we can see here, Bitcoin still here moving sideways in this rectangle right here from 22,000, actually no, 41,500 to 43,500. So around $2,000 movements there. So we can see it's moving sideways here, and it also looks like a bear flag pattern here, and the target for that bear flag pattern would be here at a $36,000. So you need to be very careful if you have any high leverage trades open, if you are overexposed to microcaps or altcoins. You need to be very careful because the market can easily dip down to the $36,000. And $36,000, let's actually look how much percentage it would be from here to the 36. It would be a 15% dip. Not so bad for Bitcoin, but a lot of altcoins, as you know, are very over leveraged, and they might go down 30, 40, 50, or even 60% depending on the project. So you need to be very careful. If you have projects in a profit, make sure you take some profits and wait for better entries. You can never go wrong with taking profits, as I tell you all the time. Taking profits is crucial and most important. Now, the price target, the bearish price target for Bitcoin is 36,000. The bullish price target, we have to regain here traction at the 47,000 and then move back to the 49,000. So let's see if we will manage to break out of this rectangle here and break out to the upside and continue this run here, because as we can see, it doesn't look so bad. We had here higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Just since the ETF, we had a little bit of a dip, so doesn't mean that we have to go down, but the chart patterns are there. I'm just showing you the price targets for these chart patterns, and that's why you have to be prepared always for both scenarios. If scenario A happens, then you can move out of your altcoins positions and stay on the sidelines and wait for better entry points, or you can even start shorting. And if we break out the rectangle, you can start opening a long, buying some more altcoin positions. Now let's see what Ethereum did in the past couple hours, and now it's sitting at $2,525. Not so bad. No, not much movement at all, as we can see. Also moving sideways. We still didn't create a lower low yet here, so we have to go below, I would say below this area, below the 2,469 for Ethereum to create a lower low. But as we can see, we already created a lower high here, so the probability that the Ethereum chart will go down is very likely, since we created here lower high and it looks like it's going a little bit more down. It depends if we're gonna go below this low here at 24,609, then the next price target for Ethereum would be 2,370. Now let's check out a little bit the altcoin market. We can also go up on Ethereum. Let's look at also the bullish price target. But in my opinion, it looks like we topped out. We have this big parallel channels that's going over for around 13-14 months, and we can see this is the top of the channel. So now we just have to wait a little bit and see, because as you can see, this channel goes up and up again. So if we go here we're gonna have the, I don't know what, maybe in 6 months we can have like 2,800 price target for Ethereum and still move in the chart. Doesn't mean that we have to. I'm actually much more bullish. I think we can even expect a Ethereum spot ETF, guys. So BlackRock also filed, and many others filed for an Ethereum spot ETF. So if this happens, the Ethereum price will skyrocket as well. Let's see if the anticipation will grow like it did with Bitcoin before. So we had many talks about ETFs, and people were expecting the ETF and getting hyped and getting FOMO. That's why the price rose also so much on Bitcoin. Now let's quickly take a look at our Link trading setup. I will show you also the profits at the end of the video from that. And as we can see here, Link sitting at $15.47. Yesterday we were sitting at $16, guys, and our trade was almost 200% in the profits. Congratulations to all of you. And as we can see, Link here looks actually even better than Ethereum, because here you can see here on Link we having here higher low, another higher low, and higher highs all the time here. So we're sitting now in an upwards moving channel here. So that's quite bullish for Chainlink. That's why I didn't close my position yet. I already moved my stop loss in the profits just so I secure my capital. Besides that, I didn't take any profits yet. I was thinking to take some profits when we go maybe to 300% profit. Then I might take like 30% of the chips from the table. Then I took my initial out and also made some profits. So I'm just gonna let this trade go more up to the upside without any risk. Now let's see what stock market is doing. Stock market losing around 1 to 2%. Yesterday we have Apple, Netflix, Tesla all in the reds. Not so nice. S&P also 0.5% in the red. Now what else do we have here? Let's see some interesting projects. Okay, nothing interesting yet. Coinbase also retraced a little bit from 180 to 130. So we know the anticipation for Coinbase was because of the Bitcoin spot ETF. And now I see the internet is not really working, so that's why we are gonna jump into my screenshots right now and check out here. So this is my say trade, still $2,794 in the profits. It was even 2,900% in the profit, and you can expect even higher price. I expect say to go over to like $2, $3 in the upcoming bull market. So I'm not gonna close this trade yet, also because I have such a good entry point. Like literally the price can go down 70% and I'm still not gonna get liquidated. That's quite great. Now this is our Link trade from our trading setup in my videos, the same one I showed you just before. 140% the profits. Yesterday we were 200% the profit. So congratulations to all of you. I'm probably gonna take some chips off the table when we reach 300%. Then I'm gonna take around 30 to 50% out of this trade. Now this is a new project I haven't paid. They are like a payment system for retail and e-commerce and vending machines. I'm looking to do a private investment into this project, so you can check it out. Make sure you can also write me in Telegram if you are interested in investing in this project, and I might open a pool for that where we can invest together. So let's see. I'm not certain yet if I want to do this because it's a little bit off work, but what am I not doing for my community and my audience? So let me know in the comments, let me know in my Telegram, and don't forget to take profits. Bye.